We got 10 Vivid Voltage packs. We got some dice, energies, code card.
If you let me open a pack, I'll give Jordan a kiss on the cheek. So
damn.
whatever you want to do with that.
Whatever you want to do with that.
What do you want to do with that information I gave you?
Okay, cool.
Hey, you still playing?
Okay. Vivid Voltage has been somewhat good to me. I've gotten a Morpeko Rainbow Rare before, and I've got a Zarude G-Max or V-Max. Alright, we got a white code card. Could be the Chonkachu in here, boys.
Hell yeah, better be a Chonkachu.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Guess the energy. Give me some fire. I want some heat.
I don't know how to do that.
Alright, we got darkness. Why is this pack edgy, dude?
I know, right? This whole box is edgy, homie.
I hate you guys.
Come on, camera. Don't be a karai.
Matang. I thought that was a ride-on for half a minute, not gonna lie.
Okay, there you go. It's focusing. Kakuna. Kakuna Matata?
Oh, Kakuna, you're Tata, baby.
Oh. Some Mumu cheese.
Ooh. Anyone else ever feel the urge to just like suck on a Miltank's teeth?
Okay, this just turned into an 18+ pack opening. If you're not 18+, please leave.
You are.
I mean,
Please
it's
be
not
aware
like
that this
that
streamer's
word.
content is for the ages of 18 and over.
Yeah, please.
It's called.
Don't repeat anything said on this today's stream.
Suck on Mumu's udders in the show. Yeah, they do.
We got a Skidoo.
Pause chat.
Oh, we got an Eevee. Look at this Eevee. He's on land. He's not swimming.
It's not on water.
He's not swimming.
Drowning.
He's enjoying the night sky. That's a cute card.
Under the water.
Oh, Trubbish. I hate this card.
Hey, why do you hate
Garbage.
Trubbish, bro? My man's the.
Like, look at it. It's like garbage, dude. It's like a garbage bag.
I want to give him a hug. I just want to give him a hug.
All right, Trubbish, the reverse.
Goop.
I don't know. I see myself in him.
Lucario. Nice.
Gario.
Lucario and the rare behind Lucario. Pause chat. Pause chat. Genesect? Ugh. Well, that's a holo, actually. Never mind. My bad. Whoops. Alright, Genesect holographic.
You think they'll ever like let us know what the Genesect actually is? You know what I mean?
Only God knows.
Because like they're like, oh, what's that?
Genesect is the holographic, and the Lucario reverse. I wish it's the other way around. I would rather have Lucario holo in a reverse Genesect, but you know.
What are you, a furry? What's wrong with you?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa! 18+! 18+!
I retract that statement.
Alright. Let's open the pack. Let's open the Pikachu pack arts last. And let's open these Beetles now. The rarity of the Chonkachu is like something stupid, like 1 in 10,000 packs.
Of course it is.
Don't say it like that. Say, yo, it's 1 in 10,000, bro.
It's 1 in 10,000, bro, and you know what? It's in these packs!
How many shinies have you caught in your lifetime? And those are like, what, 1 in like a million? Come on now.
I have like a shiny Machop.
Look at that. Look at that. It's like, what, 1 in 8,000?
And,
Pokemon Go doesn't count. They just make the odds skyrocket.
alright, we got a white code card. Pog.
Yes.
Let's go.
Alright.
Putting out information like that.
Guess the energy.
Fire.
Grass.
It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire.
I'm thinking dark energy. It's gonna be edgy.
Fire.
Ah, psychic.
It's always
couldn't be
psychic.
hipster. You decided to be edgy instead of a hipster.
Ooh, Charmeleon. You know what Charmeleon evolves into? Charizard.
This guy shot at me, missed. I had enough time to reload before I can bolt my gun and shoot at him.
Ew.
Fucking.
Yo, I
God.
love that one. That guy's my favorite.
Ew.
Oh
He has
yeah.
a butt cheek on his face. No.
This guy?
He has
Yeah, he's
butt
got
cheeks on his
fat
face, man.
cheeks. He's got cheeks for
For church,
days.
definitely get to that
My
ass.
Pincurchin in my deck is actually freaking god tier. I
And now you got the-
destroy Jordan.
Damn.
Pincurchin, really?
Yeah, Woody Woodpecker.
Pincurchin.
Alright, I guess I'll put that to the side. Alright.
What?
What did you just
What?
say?
Don't.
What
What
did
did
you
you
Don't finish that. Don't finish that sentence.
What?
For Nick, he said he likes the card. I'm gonna give it to him.
Oh no.
What?
Drover? I mean, I gave Jordan a Poliwhirl, so Nick wants that one, he'll get that one.
Oh, it's a Whalmer. Oh my
Whalmer?
god.
Why does he and Whalelord have they have way too many?
Cottony?
Yo, legit, it's teeth goals, homie.
It literally looks like the same art out of the other pack we opened, or was that... Did we get a Whalmer out of the Vivid Voltage?
Yo.
I don't know. Cottony?
So bad.
I know, literally.
A crap.
Clopose? Electrike?
What am I saying?
We're getting dummied on right now.
Alright, the reverse?
Probably.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
What did you get?
Little pelican with a fish in his mouth. Look at that fish.
Yes, sir.
Ooh,
You know what else
look
you
at
can
those
put in
teeth.
my mouth?
And the rare.
What else that mouth do?
You can put a Pikachu, you can put a Pikachu in there. dog.
Okay. Nice.
Ew. Ew.
A
What's-
shaman? Shaman? Shaman?
Shaman King? Yeah, I like that.
Cool. That one gets sleeved and hard sleeved. And
Oh, burn it.
top loader.
Fire.
Whoa.
No.
Guys.
Shaman doesn't deserve it.
TOS.
Yo, Shaman sucks, bro.
I love Shaman. It's so
It
cute.
just makes me gag.
Maybe you make me want to get, cause I feel.
Damn.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yo, what that mouth do?
It doesn't feel that good. It doesn't feel that good, does it? Huh.
It felt great. I feel it in a different way than you did. Not gonna cap.
Wow.
I'm molding.
Oh my lord.
You said it one way. And
Set up for this.
we got a green coat card. Rip. That's the chat.
You make me wanna grab.
Boo.
Alright, guess the energy.
Fire!
I'm
Fire!
gonna go with water. Give me some water.
Fire!
Oh, steel.
Steel
What
energy,
the
dude.
heck? That's whack.
Water.
Dude, I hate kill streaks in this game. I hate score streaks. They're such a terrible idea.
Oh,
Why
pal.
do you get rewarded for dying with a kill streak? Like a
Go
They should-
Bay?
Babe, bye. Whatever.
they shouldn't be allowed to be this lethal.
What is my camera doing? Hello camera? Hello,
Wait, how do
pause
you
check.
pronounce her name? Bay or B?
I think it's
I think it's
B. I don't know.
Bay. I don't know, dude.
Bay. Yo.
She's kind of a bay, so we're gonna call her Bay.
Ooh, she's keeping it tight. I was popping with you.
Dude, this fruit fly needs to F off.
Can't even see that. Oh, it's a do-what.
Do you want?
Do what?
Ooh.
Do what?
Aracuda. It's a Sigma. Ninkada. Ooh.
Okay.
And it's a little baby Woody Woodpecker. Look
It's a little Woody Woody.
Whoa.
Aw, little pooch.
Yeah, you do. I would know.
Little pooch. And the reverse. Nope. Never mind. Pause champ.
Yo, Witzel's sick, bro. He's cute as heck.
And the rare. Or the
Rare?
okay, Lugia reverse.
Favorite legendary.
Ooh.
Oh,
Lugia reverse. We like those. And the rare behind the Lugia. is.
Bofa.
Ugh, both of these nuts.
Ew.
Trash. Lugia, though.
Heck yeah.
I'll take the Lugia reverse. That's a dope card.
Never mind. Not
Well, that wasn't our best game. I'm not gonna lie.
What's going on, Manny?
Reverse, what the?
I'll
That's
hit
not
it
what
from
that
the.
really-
What? Like, what did you? Wait. What
What?
is
And then this is the
I
rare.
don't know.
it? Bro, like, really though? Like, what did you
Quarantine's
say?
been a long time, eh?
No, I'm in work mode right now, bro. I'm in work. All we talk when we're working. For the construction is like one of the most manliest war jobs.
Oh
All we do
yeah.
is flirt with each other.
Alright,
It's like so weird.
we got a white code card.
That's a
Flirting with other
wild
guys.
construction, bro. I don't get that.
There's-
Legit.
There's nothing more manly than flirting with other dudes.
Guess the energy.
Fire.
I'm gonna go with steel. Fighting.
Fighting. Heck
Oh.
yeah.
What the heck is going on?
Loudred. It's gonna be me if I don't get anything good in this pack.
Yo, that's what I do every night when I sleep. Never mind.
Like,
Never mind.
no cap.
It's gonna start stomping and kicking on stream.
Yeah,
Everyone sub for it.
yeah, 100%.
Let's not encourage bad behavior now.
Coding energy.
Bad behavior. What are you saying? It's a real loot.
Reals. Oh, they're that Eevee. That's a cute card.
Look at that. That's another smart, well-trained Eevee that's not in water.
Yeah, not thinking like he's a Vaporeon when he's just an Eevee swimming in the ocean. Seedot.
Yo, my mans. My acorns.
Electric. The reverse. Nope. Never mind. After this card. Pause stream.
Wow.
Clefairy. Are you kidding me, dude? No matter what set I open, I see you again?
Yanma.
No, homie.
And the rare is... Okay! Steelix V!
Ooh, I love Steelix. Steelix is dope.
We take those.
I'll show you a Steelix.
Wow.
I remember pulling a Steelix out of, like, the Neo Evolution Discovery? One of the earlier sets.
Oh, I like my food's gonna be here in like a sec, Katie. I'm just gonna sit this, or we can just stop if you want.
What did you get?
If I can get this in there, that'd be great. Alright, Steelix V. Nice card, nice card. I like the art. That's pretty dope. We take those.
Yeah, it looks dope. For real, for real.
Ugh. With this Yamana.
Lost a fight, no cap.
Actually, I should probably sleeve the Eevee.
Feels like I'm watching one of those old Speed Racer movies where the sound comes after. Because I hear you talk and I hear you crumple the plastic, and then 5 seconds later, I see you do it. It's so tricky.
Oh yeah, it was tripping me out too.
Holy.
Alright. Next pack! Little Syllabi art.
Psychic energy.
Okay. Slick wants Psychic. I'm gonna say fire. Alright, we got another white code card. That's a good sign. Guess the energy. I said fire. And we got Psychic! Manny. Manny got it.
Told you.
You said
Clearly the
steel, bro.
No, cap. I said psychic.
I said psychic, guy.
You said steel, I said psychic.
No
Come on,
chance.
All the chances. Chance
Oh,
the
champ.
rapper.
Gotcha baited? Beauty? Slick did say Psychic. Shuckle?
Shuckle don't give a fuckle.
Shuckle don't give a fuckle. Nozleaf. I like that
Those
art.
my leaves.
Can I just nuzzle?
Talo? Look at that claymation Talo.
Aww.
Little happy alligator on the moon. Ocelot. Dude, this fruit fly though.
Mushka.
Ooh, this. Pineco. Clefairy. Alright, the reverse. Alistair Trainer. And the rare. Don't even know who the fuck this guy is. Meganera. Alright.
Pokeball, Pokemon.
Girna.
Three more packs to get the Chonkachu.
Hog.
Alright. Another Sylvia pack art.
Fighting energy.
Alright, Slick is locking in fighting. Guess the energy. I'm gonna
Fire.
say
Let's go steel.
dark. I'm feeling dark.
Ooh.
Ooh, fighting.
Told you it was fighting, bro. Come on.
For two.
Good at this. Good.
Mighty Yellow.
Ooh.
The next one's gonna be water.
Trumbeak.
Heck yeah. Look, he wants to give you a little kiss. Look at that puppy.
Cottony.
Yes.
Puss.
Boots. That's not a good one.
Electric. Execute. Some evil ass eggs.
Buddy, that's breakfast. What are you
Another
talking
Eevee. Reverse. Pharaoh seat. And the rare. Ugh. Get out of here.
about?
Alright, last two packs. Come on, Chonkachu. I know you're in here. I can feel it. I actually saw a streamer get like a donation to rip up a pack. And he like cut it in half and it ended up being the rainbow rare Pikachu.
Oh,
He was so pissed. Ah, another green code card.
Water energy.
Guess the energy. Slick. It says water.
Lick's gonna win the lotto today.
I'm saying fighting. Lightning.
Ooh.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
Swallow. I haven't seen this one yet. League
He's
staff.
so dirty. I just keep thinking of worse things to say.
TOS though.
Yes, sir.
If I were to
Whoops.
uncensor myself right now in the mood I'm in, you'd get banned right away. I'm so sorry.
Ah.
It's like Nick said it too. You're not liberal enough to do.
I'll jump over to YouTube. I'll jump over to
Controlling myself as well, man. Yeah, I know.
I'm holding myself back so much.
Wishmer.
Oh.
Shrubbish is garbage.
Why is that my dad?
Okay, Clawpose.
Yo, Slick, is Slick still in here?
Mudbray reverse and the rare Executor non-hollow.
Build doing the Glock Vogue.
That's a cool art.
I got no idea. Like what stickers you're talking?
Yeah, I don't know what we're looking at.
Like Mudbray reverse.
Of course, with me, think about it as you move.
Last pack magic. Come on, Chonkachu.
Let's go. Fire energy.
Come on, Chonkachu.
And you're gonna get a shield.
Ah, it's a green code card. Rip. No Chonkachu. Guess the energy. Lightning.
Ooh.
Psychic.
Psychic, go psychic. See, I said it.
Okay, Nessa.
That's my wife.
Is she?
She could be.
Sad face. That's my dog.
Got like some zebra
I don't know,
looking
but The
dog.
Gen 3 gym leader lady's got some shit going on.
That's my fish.
That's my donkey.
That's my hamster.
Pooch.
That's my Hamtaro right there.
Charmander. Oh, that's cute.
That's a rat. That's it.
I like Charmander. Shut up.
It's a Chatot. Ooh.
Joltik. And the reverse. Shoop it.
Ooh.
And the rare.
Yeah, one of the most disturbing backstories.
Vaporeon.
Hey, look, it's that Eevee from a while ago. Look at that. You finally did it, buddy.
No,
Non-holographic Vaporeon is the last card. I actually have all three of them.
Print out a picture of the Chonkachu and just glue it on top of that Vaporeon, and you're chilling.
Yeah,
You gotta
actually.
channel its energy.
Using that water until he became a Vaporeon, so you gotta fake it until you get the Chonkachu.
Alright. Ghost of the Past Yu-Gi-Oh!
Okay.
Oh,